The next thing to consider is mitigating family conflicts. So if you have a family that there's estranged children or parents or other relatives or people in someone's life that they don't want to have involved, or if they want to make sure that they're not even in the picture, they want to disinherit certain people or something like that, doing your own estate plan is not going to be sufficient to address those concerns. If there's something that's executed poorly or it's ambiguous, those are gateways for people to contest wills or trusts and open the door to litigation and other things that you don't want to get involved in with regard to your estate. You don't want people to have to go through this that you love. And a professional drafts unambiguous documents, and that reduces the likelihood of disputes among beneficiaries. And it also reduces the likelihood of someone coming in and saying, hey, I wasn't provided for or something, or I was supposed to get this and it doesn't tell me that I'm getting it. That stuff is not going to be part of a do-it-yourself plan.